All right, boys and girls, for today's math activity, you're going to need your student book. Remember, that's the one that's white on top and has a person made of shapes. You're going to need this. You're going to need some scissors and some stick glue. If you don't have stick glue, you can also use clear tape or wet glue. All right? So you must have your student book, scissors, and wet glue. So in your student book, you're going to open up to page 27. That's what page 27 looks like, okay? You're going to gently tear out page 27 and 29, okay? So I'm going to pull out 27 and 29 like this, and I'll make sure not to take out 31 because we're doing that another day. So I'm going to hold one side, and if you need a parent to help you take out these two pages, go right ahead. So I took out 27 and 29. And we are going to make a measuring strip. So I'm going to cut along this dotted line like this. Yeah, one at a time. All right, and you are going to make a measuring tape that goes from 1 to 66 inches, okay? So let me show you how you would make this. So I'm going to quickly cut the edges. There, I cut the extra off, and I'm going to cut the first two strips out. So the first strip says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to glue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? So let me go ahead and glue that down. So I'm going to put right here where it says glue, I'm going to glue that down. I'm going to put some stick glue, and I'm going to be generous with the glue. And then I'm going to press that down like that. All right, and then I have my first strip. The only part where you can cut off where it says glue is for strip 1, because you're not going to glue anything to that tab. But for all the other glue tabs, you will need those tabs that say glue. So after 10 comes 11. So I'm going to cut the next strip. It's best to keep them all together so you can glue them in order. And if you cut them all apart, you'll have to separate them and put them in order. So just keep them together like that. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What comes after 15? 16. Cut one at a time off. That way you won't have to put them back in order, okay? So I'm going to put glue on the tab where it says glue. I'm just going to glue just like that. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's do one more. I'm not going to do the whole thing because I know you can do this by yourself. So what comes after 20, 21? I'm going to glue this tab like that. And you are going to keep going with your measuring strip until you get to your last part, 66. And you're going to have a measuring strip that will be 66 inches when you're all done, okay? All right, you can pause it now.